Welcome to Gary's World and Workshop. I'm Gary, a retired maintenance man. I spent most of my life fixing, building, tinkering with just about everything you can imagine. Now I've got some time, I figured why not bring you along for the ride. Around here you'll see me doing all kinds of stuff. Maybe welding a bit of garden art from a small rusty chunk, pouring some resin, doing some wood burning, a couple of different kinds of wood burning actually, maybe repairing something around the house, making some jewelry, doing some artwork. The list goes on. I'm not a fancy production guy, as you can tell. Just someone who loves making things, figuring stuff out, and maybe showing a trick or two that I've learned over the years. If you like seeing things being fixed, built, or turned into artwork, you come to the right place. So grab a coffee, pull up a chair, and welcome to Gary's World and Workshop. See you in the next video. Please like, give me a comment, and be sure to subscribe to catch up on all my latest videos. And let's get her done.